Hello, my name is Dr. Wendy Bedwell-Torres, and I'm a faculty member and the Director of Executive Training for the Fogelman College of Business and Economics here at the University of Memphis. We are launching a series of executive training workshops beginning this June. There are 4 workshops in that series, and you can register for any or all of the 4-hour online workshops. We will then launch our Emerging Leaders series, with training workshops providing various skills in communication and negotiation, as well as how to make a case for change, which are all key aspects of effective leadership. You can find details on the contents of the workshops, as well as registration links on our website. So be driven by doing, maximize your potential, and increase your relevance in today's business environment by taking advantage of the flexible, affordable professional development opportunities created by our faculty for busy professionals just like you.